why big firms like Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft always rank at the top of Google. It is because they use powerful AI tools for their digital marketing. RightCream is an AI-powered content creation platform designed to assist marketers, entrepreneurs, and content creators in generating high-quality text, audio, and visual content efficiently. RightCream streamlines various aspects of digital marketing, enhancing productivity and engagement. Today, I am showing you a super handy AI tool that can help you to come up with powerful domain keyword ideas that are SEO friendly, brandable, and super relevant. And that is RightCream's AI domain keyword list tool. Alright, here we are on rightcream.com. If you have never used it before, don't worry, it's super easy. Just search for domain keyword list on the dashboard menu and click on the tool. Alright, the domain keyword tool lets you extract super relevant keyword just by typing in a website domain. That's it. No need to brainstorm a million ideas, just plug in your website or even a competitor's. And the AI pulls out keywords that are already working for that site. Imagine how much time you save when you don't have to manually dig through pages of content or run multiple tools just to get a basic keyword list. Now, why is this important for digital marketing? Because content is still king, but relevant content is emperor. Using the domain keyword tool helps you discover untapped keyword opportunities, create smarter content strategies, spy on your competitor, save hours of research time. Whether you are doing SEO, running ads, or planning a content calendar, this tool helps you align your strategy with actual search behavior. No guessing, just result. So to wrap it up, RightCream's domain keyword tool is like your shortcut to intelligent keyword research. Whether you are a blogger, business owner, marketer, or SEO geek, it's a simple but powerful way to make your content more visible and more valuable. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below if you want a deep dive into any other RightCream feature.